All glory belongs to God alone. How to pass the 5 Untitled in 1 week and 1 day. Nt2. Tips number 1. Prayer. Call the Lord. Jeremiah 33 verse 3. Call unto me, and I will answer thee, and shew thee great and mighty things which thou knowest not. Daily prayer before you study. I take the 5 exam in 1 week and 1 day to avoid stress. I want to take 5 exam in 1 day, but they don't have any schedule. So what I did is I take the 2 exam in 1 day, and the following day they don't have available exam. So the next day I take the 2 exam again, and succeeding it is in a week, and Monday I take the last exam. And kislakt the 5 examen Nt2 1 time for 1 week and 1 day only. Tips number 1. Daily prayer, asking for wisdom and understanding. Tips number 2. Visit the website of INBURGEREN.NL EXAMEN-DOEN. Do open examen INBURGEREN's examen elkadak. What I do first, I study the lesson Nt2 weer en 5 elkadak. I start after lunch, then I stop because I do cooking for my husband around 4:30 p.m. If you pass that exam either perfect or 1 mistake, you have a chance to pass the real exam. Tips number 3. Open examen luisteren Nt2 weer en 5. Be careful for the selection of the answer. Find the best answer and be alert, not only the luisteren and all the exams. Tips number 4. Spreken. If you are good in del 2, do it first, because that's what I did when I take the exam. For del 1, you have to speak right away the answer. Do not stop. Don't mind if you are wrong in grammar. The important is you answer it right away. Otherwise, you will be curious and stop instead of answering it. I know you will be perfect. Tips number 5. Schrijven. Practice writing. Make sure your spelling is correct. Make a lot of words. Use more verbs so that you have a lot of points. Tips number 6. K&M. Do practice exam. Be familiar. If you have a good result in the practice exam, chances of passing. And if you want, you can study also the books of K&M. Do something in order to pass. If you've been to school, that's good, more advantage, like me. But what I did is I focus on studying on the website what the DO is giving, and be familiar the question and understand. You can do what I do. You can take all the 5 exam right away. But if you cannot do it step by step, like 1 month, 2 or 3, and then the next month is maybe 2. Spreken and schrijven, it takes 8 weeks before the result, because the one who is checking is person. So that's why practice it every day, because it's quite difficult, the spreken and schrijven. But as long as you can always practice it every day, you can do it, I'm sure. If I do, you can do as well.